2015 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8. We got something different on this one done. As you guys can see a little bit of the blue there. We did a dual. There's the factory converter there and there. A third converter there. Then it goes 3-inch all the way into a MAGNAFLOW part number 12897. There'll be a link in the description. I hate when they do this, but I don't know why they took the sticker off, but okay. That's it right there. It's a tubular muffler, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then we did a 3-inch tailpipe or side pipe into a double wall blue 4-inch blue flame tip right there. And you guys can see it from right there. Came out really beautiful. Let you guys hear it in a second. 2015 Chevy Silverado Z71. Got some nice 20-inch wheels. Really nice truck. Got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. Got the third cat that everybody hates. Then 3-inch pipe all the way back. We installed a Flowmaster FX by Flowmaster, or Flow FX by Flowmaster. There'll be a link in the description if you guys want to purchase it. And then we followed it by 2.5-inch pipe into, and then we did there's the part number for it, 71416. There it is. That's how you do the Flow FX on these. And then we also did a resonator delete. Because with the Flow FX, it'll be too quiet with keeping the resonator on it right there. So we cut that off too, and put a 4-inch angle cut black tip right there. There'll be a link in the description for that also, if you guys want to purchase it. That's the whole setup on it. That's how you do them. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Sounds good. I like it. If you like it, say, I want you to comment, guys, I like it. If you like it. In caps. In caps. I like it. Because I like it. Again, see sound decibels. Again, there's sound decibels. 98. Not bad at all. There's the resonator, rusted out tip, and muffler we cut off. And you guys always want to cut these off, remember, if you ever do it, anything with it. That sounds really nice. Again. Let you guys hear the inside. Much better. You always want to take the resonators off them to make it sound good. Let you guys hear sound decibels. Go ahead. About 94. I think it sounds phenomenal. It's really nice and deep. The Flow FXs really sound deep on those. Let you guys hear on the inside. You remember the Honda? Oh yeah. The Type R.
Yeah.
It was in slow motion. So always check, make sure. It's got a nice idle to it.